How to get Pocket Playtime Chapter 1 per free by free Android and Apple, just not any well Android in there's Play Store. Huggy Wuggy Playtime. Huggy Wuggy Playtime. So just not in the Play Store, just in Roblox. Pro type in Roblox like that. Type Roblox and press everywhere you want. You don't have Roblox, just install. You have Roblox, just play it. Now you played it. Now you here in Roblox. But type in this and press this at the bottom. And you're playing it as Android. You got for free. Just stop the screen. Now you can play it. But you in tutorial. You don't know about this game. Just hit these buttons. But you don't just walk and you don't know you touch it. No, you can't just wait and you open the door. So I play these games a lot. So he play on Android and Apple Store. So goodbye.